Precision, power, speed. CNC fiber laser cutting with 40 kilowatt power. Exceptional performance, impressive accuracy, maximum thickness up to 110 millimeters. Stainless steel, no challenge at all. CNC tube laser cutting with 20 kilowatt power, up to 12 meters in length, maximum width and height of 350 millimeters. Tube cutting with 0 millimeter waste. CNC metal bending, up to 6 meters long, 400 tons of force, from tiny components to massive structures. We stand out by being able to produce very large quantities and process large-sized parts without delays. CNC Express, when precision becomes power.